Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple, powerful trading strategy that really works for scalping on the 5-minute and 15-minute charts. Plus, I'll walk you through how to create your own trading signals right on TradingView. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a clear-cut method that takes out a lot of the guesswork, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to set up this strategy and start making more confident trades. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to go to the Indicators section in TradingView. This is your toolbox for customizing charts and building strategies. Just click on that little symbol at the top of your screen. If you haven't used it before, it's where you'll find everything from moving averages to all sorts of community-built indicators. Start by searching for the moving average indicator. Now, once you add it to your chart, it's really important to tweak it specifically for our strategy. Double-check that you have it selected, then open up the settings. You'll see a field called length. Change that number to 100. By default, it might be set much lower, but setting it to 100 gives you a much smoother long-term trend line, which helps filter out all that noisy short-term movement that can throw you off, especially on those fast 5-minute and 15-minute scalping charts. Now here's how this moving average comes into play. When the price breaks above this 100-period moving average from below, so you see your candles crossing up and over that line, that's your early sign of an uptrend starting. Think of it like water breaking through a dam. The price is pushing above established resistance and could keep flowing upward. On the flip side, if the price falls down through that moving average from above, it signals potential for a downtrend. This step is absolutely key because it gives you a clear visual roadmap for the overall market direction, which helps you avoid betting against the trend, a mistake that trips up a lot of traders. Next, let's add the second ingredient to our setup. Head back to the Indicators tab and search for an indicator called Big Snapper. This one is a community favorite for a reason. It gives extra confirmation and sharpens your entry and exit points, which can make a massive difference when you're scalping those quick trades. Add it to your chart, then give it a quick double-click to open the settings. Here, where a little customization will help, move to the Style tab and you'll see a bunch of moving average options. We want to keep things clear and uncluttered, so go ahead and uncheck all the moving average lines except for the slow moving average. This makes your chart less crowded and helps you stay focused on the signals that really matter. Trust me, the less visual noise, the better your decisions will be. Once you've made those changes, just click OK, and that's it. With just these two indicators set up and tweaked, you've got a powerful, easy-to-read system for catching trends early and scalping the 5 and 15-minute charts. Remember, what makes this strategy effective is keeping your signals simple and dependable so you can act decisively. You can now start trading freely based on clear signals, rather than gut feelings or complicated setups. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below with any questions or your own tips. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you want more straightforward trading strategies and TradingView guides, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.